In a world filled with machines, automation, and speed, there's something truly special about the slow rhythm of hands shaping wood. It's a connection to nature, a return to something pure, something real. This is the world of handmade wood art, a craft that blends skill, patience, and creativity to bring nature's beauty into our homes and hearts. When we talk about handmade wood art, we're not just talking about objects, we're talking about stories. Stories carved into each grain, sanded into every curve, polished into every surface. Each piece of wood holds a past, a forest, a season, a moment in time. And when an artist transforms that piece into art, they give it new life. Handmade wood art stands apart in today's digital, mass-produced world. It reminds us that true beauty isn't made in factories, it's made by people. By hands that know how to listen to the wood. By eyes that see potential where others see scrap. And by hearts that find joy in creation. Every artist has their own way of seeing wood. Some see shapes and geometry. Others see movement, emotion, or even silence. A single block of wood can become anything, a bowl, a sculpture, a lamp, or a wall piece. But no matter what it becomes, it always carries one thing, the mark of the maker. You see, when something is handmade, it carries the energy of human touch. The process isn't just mechanical, it's emotional. Every stroke, every cut, every smooth surface tells you. Someone cared enough to create this. And that's what makes handmade wood art so powerful. It's not just about function, it's about feeling. A handmade wooden sculpture isn't just decoration, it's a reminder that patience still exists, that effort still matters, and that art can be both humble and profound. Before machines, before factories, wood was one of humanity's first creative companions. From simple tools and shelters to spiritual carvings and ceremonial objects, wood has always been more than material. It's been a partner in human imagination. And even now, in the 21st century, it remains one of the most personal materials to work with. When you hold a piece of handmade wood art, you're not just holding wood, you're holding time. Hours of labor, thought, and care live within that object. It's as if the artist left a small part of their spirit behind, sealed within the grains. In our fast-moving world, where everything is designed for convenience and speed, handmade art brings us back to mindfulness. It slows us down. It reminds us that beauty takes time. It reminds us that imperfection isn't a flaw, it's a fingerprint. And that every curve, knot, and grain is a celebration of uniqueness. From a rustic wooden clock to an abstract sculpture, every piece starts the same way. With raw material and imagination. The artist studies the wood's shape, listens to its texture, and begins to imagine what it can become. Unlike metal or plastic, wood is unpredictable. It moves, it breathes, it changes. And that's exactly why artists love it. Wood responds to the environment, to temperature, to the way it's handled. That's what makes each handmade piece one of a kind. Even if two artists start with the same design, no two creations will ever be identical. because wood has its own personality. But handmade wood art isn't just about beauty, it's also about sustainability. More and more creators today use reclaimed or recycled wood, giving old, discarded pieces new purpose. Instead of cutting new trees, they rescue forgotten ones, turning fallen branches, broken furniture, or driftwood into stunning works of art. It's not just crafting, it's conservation. It's creativity with conscience. By choosing handmade wood art, we support not only the artist, but also the planet. We reduce waste, honor natural materials, and encourage a slower, more meaningful lifestyle. And beyond the environmental message, there's a deeper human truth. When we make things by hand, we rediscover what it means to create, to think, to feel, to connect. It's something no machine can replicate. Around the world, handmade wood art takes many forms, from the delicate wooden masks of Africa to the elegant carvings of Japan, from rustic European furniture to intricate Indian inlay work. Each culture tells its own story through wood. And yet, across continents and generations, the message is always the same. Art is human, and wood is its language. So when you bring a handmade wooden piece into your home, a wall decor, a sculpture, a lamp, or a frame, you're not just adding style. You're adding soul. You're inviting nature and craftsmanship into your space. Every time your hand brushes against that smooth surface, every time you notice the grain dancing under the light, you're reminded that someone, somewhere, shaped this with care. That's the beauty of handmade wood art. It's honest, it's human, and it's timeless. It doesn't chase trends, it creates legacy. It doesn't try to be perfect, it simply is. So as we begin this journey into the world of handmade wooden art, let's explore not only how these beautiful creations are made, but also why they continue to inspire, heal, and connect us in ways that few other materials can. Because at its core, wood is life, and handmade art is how we give that life meaning, and that's the magic of handmade wood art. Timeless, human, and alive. So next time you see a carved sculpture, a wooden lamp, or even a small, handcrafted box, pause, appreciate the story within it. Feel the care and creativity poured into every inch. And let it inspire you to create, to imagine, and to connect with the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of handmade wood art. We hope you leave inspired, amazed, and ready to explore your own creativity. Because art isn't just about what you see. It's about what you feel. And when it comes to wood, you can feel life itself in every grain. Until next time, keep creating, keep appreciating, and let the beauty of handmade wood art touch your world.